When photographing people, whether it's an actor, a model, a standard portrait, a group photo, or a family photo, you want to make sure that you really instill confidence in the person you're photographing. Some ways you can go about doing this are making sure you remember their names, ask them about their day, check in with them from time to time to make sure they're doing okay, that they're comfortable, ask them if they need anything. You also want to make sure that you show them that you care about the way that they look on camera as much as they do. Some things you can do to help them build that confidence is to maybe ask if you can approach them, maybe ask to do something with their hair, just to move it out of the way or just push it around. There doesn't really even need to be anything wrong with it. Just give them that confidence by showing that you really care about them. You can also give them things like rice paper. Maybe if their face is a little shiny, they can dab it on their face. And one thing you really need to remember is that people are mirrors. If you show confidence, if you show happiness, that you're excited about the photos you're getting, they're gonna be excited right back, and you're gonna get really great smiles, and the photos are just gonna turn out fantastic.